Welcome to a new world where your financial future is in your hands. Today, we're diving into essential qualities of the wealthy. Rich people first build qualities in them. When they have nothing, then their qualities makes them wealthy. Welcome to AJ's Info, the place where you build career and reach new heights of success. Don't forget to join the wealth building community, subscribe the channel, let's achieve success together. The first quality is it's all about mindset. Wealthy individuals believe in their ability to make money. They see opportunity where others see obstacles. Confidence isn't arrogance, it's knowing what you're capable of. The power of the mindset cannot be understated. Your thoughts shape your reality. The belief in your ability to generate wealth starts with a positive mindset. Rich understand the importance of financial education. They're not afraid to ask questions, seek advice, and learn new things. Financial education can help individuals make informed choices about where and how to invest their money, whether it's in stocks, real estate, businesses, or other assets. Financial education, it's not about becoming a Wall Street guru. It's about understanding the basics. It's about understanding how money works, how to invest, how to budget, and how to plan for the future. Now, the important quality is delayed gratification. Wealthy people know the value of patience, of waiting for the right moment to make a move. Delayed gratification, it's a tough one. We live in a world that promotes instant gratification. But wealth is about playing the long game. It's about making decisions today that will pay off tomorrow. Wealthy are willing to make short-term sacrifices for the promise of greater rewards in the future. This mindset helps them save, invest, and build wealth gradually. Wealthy people are their risk takers. Stepping outside of comfort zones is crucial. Without risk, there's no reward. Risk-taking is stepping into the unknown, betting on yourself, and trusting your instincts. They take calculated risk. They make financial education as weapon, use all their financial knowledge to reduce risk. Wealthy focus on earning. The wealthy don't just save, they strive to increase their income. It's not about working harder, it's about working smarter. It's about maximizing your earning potential. They identify best possible business or investment to build income. They have multiple streams of income. This quality to focus on earnings build their wealth. It's about thinking big and exploring multiple sources of income. They also set clear financial goals. Without a destination, you're just wandering aimlessly. Setting clear financial goals is crucial quality. It's about knowing where you want to go and what you want to achieve. Adopting a long-term perspective. Wealth isn't built in a day. It's the result of consistent effort over time. Adopting a long-term perspective is essential. Wealth isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. It's about understanding that wealth isn't just about money. It's about freedom, security, and peace of mind. It's about establishing a roadmap, setting milestones, and celebrating your progress along the way. Mustering resilience, the wealthy bounce back from failure, using it as fuel for future success. Resilience is a must-have. Failure is inevitable, but it doesn't mean you're defeated. Wealthy people view failures as temporary setbacks rather than insurmountable obstacles, the quality of bounce back. By maintaining a positive mindset and an unwavering belief in their ability to overcome challenges, it's about getting back up, learning from your mistakes, and pushing forward with determination. They cultivate strong personal networks. The quality to build connections is their greatest asset. Cultivating a strong network is priceless. It's about surrounding yourself with people who inspire, challenge, and support you. It's about building relationships based on mutual respect and shared interests. This network provides them with access to a range of opportunities, from investment prospects to business partnerships. They give back. The wealthy understand the importance of contributing to their communities. The quality of giving back is the most important quality of wealthy individual. True wealth is about more than just money. It's about making a positive impact in the world. It's about using your resources to help others and make a difference. Embrace these qualities of the wealthy and unlock your potential for financial success. Don't just dream about wealth, make it your reality. We hope you found value in this video. Like and share the video with your loved ones. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. See you in the next video. Take care.